If you don't know how to mention all your friends on Facebook in one click, you should watch this video. In this video, I will explain how to mention everyone in a post or comment. Okay, Facebook some time ago has updated a new feature. This feature can be used to mention all your friends directly, without having to mention them one by one. Okay, let's jump to Facebook. The first step, enter into one of your Facebook group. After you enter into a group, make a post. In this tutorial I will make a random post and I will tag everyone in this group. To mention all of your friends, click the @ key on your keyboard, then select @ everyone. By doing this, all friends in this Facebook group will get notifications of your posts. However, there are things you need to understand about this feature. You can only do this once a day. Not all groups have this feature and not all accounts get this feature. So, if you don't find this feature in your account, try to contact the Facebook about this problem and be patient until this feature presents itself.